doesn't mean you get 25 rupees as a participant, right? And the total prize money it is given 3,000 rupees, and the total number of participant is 63. So here first we are supposing that number of winners is equal to X. So we know that number of losers it is 67 minus X. Yes or no? We have total
सर यहाँ
67
150 भी
participants.
रखे थे.
We have total 67 participants. Out of these, some are winners, some are losers. We are supposing that number of winners is equal to X. So number of loser, it is 67 minus X. The remaining are loser. We know that if you are winner, you get 100 rupees. So it means 100 into X. For example, 5 students win this game. So 100 fives are 500 rupees. I want to distribute among these 5 students. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
None. 25 rupees to those students who are just a participant, but they are loser. So we get 25 rupees. So it means 25 into remaining students, 67 minus X. And we get total prize money, it is 3,000 rupees. Now we have to solve this equation, nothing else. So 100 into X, 100X plus 25 into 67. Can anyone tell me what is the multiplication of this two? 25 into 67. Multiply these two number 25 and 67 and give me answer.
1657.
What?
1675.
Okay. Then we have to multiply 25 into x, it means 25x, right? Is equal to 3,000. Clear all of you? Sorry. Number of participant is 63. It is not 67. Sorry. The number of participant is 63. So it is 63 minus x. Here we have to suppose the remaining student. It is 63 minus x. Now again multiply 25 into 63. What is the answer?
1,575.
Okay, good. Okay, now you can see 100x minus 25x. These two terms are like terms, so we can subtract 100 minus 25, 75x plus 1575 is equal to 3,000. Right? So it means 75x is equal to, we are taking this 1575 to the right side. So it's become negative. Right? So what is the answer? 75x is equal to 3,000 minus 1,575. So we get 1,425. So if you want to find x, we have to divide by 75. Clear all of you? Now you can see we can easily divide these two number with 25. You can see 25 threes are 75, right? In a numerator, 25 fives are 125. So we have remainder 17, and 17 and 5 175. So 25 sevens are 175. So we get 57 by 3, x is equal to. Again we can divide. 19 threes are 57. So what is the value of x we get? X is equal to 19. It means number of winners are 19 and number of losers, number of winners, and number of losers are the remaining students. So remaining student means it is 63 minus 19. So what is the answer? 63 minus 19, 44.
44.
So 44 students are loser. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay, write down first question number 16. Then after we will start exercise 2.3. Write down fast.
Return. Return, sir.
Sir, please zoom out. Sir, I want to take a screenshot of full page. Thank you, sir.
Okay, written all of you. Boys,
No, sir.
write down fast.
Those are not written.
Okay, write
સર
down.
ઝૂમ કરો ને 16 નંબર ઉપર આન્સર 16.
Okay.
સર થઈ ગયું.
Okay, beta. Wait for other student. Please write down fast. Who are still writing, please write down fast.
સર રિટર્ન.
Okay. Written all of you. All of you boys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
done.
Okay, now exercise 2.3. Question number 1. Exercise 2.3, it is also simple exercise because of in which we are solving questions like variable having two sides. In exercise 2.1, we are solving questions like in variable, it is only one side and number to the another side. But now in exercise 2.3, we have variable both the side. So we have to first take variable to the left side and number to the right side, and then after we can solve this question. Okay. So you can see 2.3 exercise question. It is very simple exercise. For example, here given that you can see 3x plus 2x, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now you can see in this question, variables are both sides. 3x left hand side and 2x right hand side. So first we have to take this variable left hand side. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. So we get 3x minus 2x, x is equal to 18. It is very simple question, you can see. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, Sahib.
You can see then
Sir,
second question. 5t minus 3 and 3t minus 5. Question is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So what we have to do? We are taking variable to the left side and number to the right side. So we are taking 3t to the left side, 5t minus 3t, and this minus 3 we are taking right side. So minus 3 become plus 3 minus 5. So we get 5t minus 3t, 2t is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2. So t is equal to minus 2 by 2. So we get 2 ones are 2. So we get t is equal to minus 1. Clear all of you? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Sir,
Beta,
number 1 માં 3x minus 2x આવે એમાં તમે x જ લખ્યું 1x નો આવે
yeah,
1x
1x, but it is not no importance of 1 whenever you writing x, right?
છે સર.
Okay, 3x minus 2x, it is absolutely 1x, but it is no need to write down 1. So I am just writing x. Okay, now you can see question number 3. After completing all questions, I am giving you time to write down every question. So please don't write down with me. Just please understand this every question. Okay? Okay, now you can see question number
Yes,
3.
sir.
5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Okay, so we are taking 3x to the left side, 5x minus 3x, and we are taking 9 to the right side, 5 minus 9. You can see 5x minus 3x, 2x, 5 minus 9 minus 4. We get x is equal to minus 4 divided by 2. So it means 2 2s are 4. We get x is equal to minus 2. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Then you
Yes,
can
sir.
see question number 4. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. 2z. So we are taking variable to the left hand side. So 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. So we get 4z minus 2z. 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. 3. We get z is equal to 3 by 2. So it is your answer. Clear all of you?
yes, sir.
Okay, write down this question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Written all of you boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see question number 5. Two x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Okay, we are taking variable left side. So 2x, this minus x become plus x, and this minus 1 become plus 1 to the right hand side. So 2x plus x, 3x is equal to 14 plus 1, 15. We get x is equal to 15 by 3. So x is equal to 3 5s are 15. Right? Then you can see question
Yes.
number 6. 8x plus 4 is equal to 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 in bracket x minus 1 plus 7. Okay, now first of all, you have to solve this. Then you can take variable to the left side and number to the right side. So 3 into x, 3x, and 3 ones are 3, means minus 3, plus 7. Now you can see we have to solve this 3x plus minus minus 7 minus 3 plus 4, right? Now we are taking variable to the left side, 8x minus 3x is equal to this 4 we are taking right hand side, so it's become negative. 8x minus 3x 5x, 4 minus 4 0, so we get x is equal to 0 divided by 5, so it means it is 0. If numerator will be 0, the whole answer will be 0. Clear all of you this question number 5 and 6?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now we can see question number 7. X is equal to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. X is equal to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. Okay, just first we multiply this 5 to the left hand side and this 4 to this bracket. First we are doing multiplication. So x into 5, 5x is equal to 4 in bracket x plus 10. Now multiply the bracket with 4. So it means 4x plus 4 times are 40. So we get 5x minus 4x is equal to 10. Means 5x minus 4x, x is equal to 10 we get. Clear all of you? No, no, no,
No.
no.
Yes, sir.
One minute, one minute.
Yes.
No, no. It is 40, right? 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. So we get x is equal to 40, not 10. Clear all of you? Question number 5, 6 and 7. Yes or no? Boys.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, write down question number 5, 6 and 7.
Return. Sir, thank you.
Just be done. Written all of you?
Yes, sir. Written.
Okay, now you can see question number 8. Okay, it is given that 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 8 plus 3. Sorry, 7x by 15. It's not 8. 15 plus 3. Right? So first we are taking variable to the left side. So 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equal to, we are taking 1 to the right side, so it's become plus 3 minus 1. Now you can see if you want to subtract or add this two rational number, but we have no equal denominator, so first we are doing equal denominator, and for this we are multiplying with 5. You can see 5 3s are 15, so it's become equal denominator, right? So in numerator 5 2s are 10x, divide by 15 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3 minus 1 2. Now you can see if denominator are equal, we can subtract or add numerator. Yes or no? Yes or no? Boys,
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10x minus 7x, 3x divided by 15 is equal to 2.
સર લખતો હતો ને એટલે જવાબ નો પાયો
So
ધ્યાન
3x
નહોતું.
is equal to, we are taking 15 to the multiplication. So it's become 30, 15 2s are 30, right? And we have to find x, and for this we are dividing with 3. So we get 3 tens are 30. X is equal to 10. Clear all of you?
યસ સર.
Now you can see question number 9. Okay. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Okay, we are taking variable to the left side. Minus y, it's become plus y, and 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So we get 2y plus y, 3y is equal to, we have equal denominator, so we can subtract numerator easily. So 3y is equal to 26 minus 5, 21 by 3. We know that 3y is equal to 3 sevens are 21. So we get 7. So y is equal to 7 divided by 3. Yes or no?
યસ સર.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, write down question number 8 and 9 fast.
સર રિટર્ન.
Write down every student.
Not written. I am taking screenshot, sir. क्योंकि मेरे को पहले का भी बाकी है.
किसको बाकी है?
मेरे को
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
पहले का इनकम्प्लीट है, इसलिए मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहा हूँ. पहले का हो जाएगा, बाद में ये लिख डालूंगा.
ठीक है. Written all of you question number 8 and 9.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are writing question number 10. 3m is equal to 5 minus 8 by 5. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. We have to take variable to the left side, so it's become negative minus 8 by 5 as it is, right? 3m minus 5m, it is minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. You can see on left hand side and right hand side we have negative sign, so we can directly cut this negative sign. So now we have 2m is equal to 8 by 5. And if you want to find the value of m, we have to divide with 2 because of 2 is in multiplication with m. Right? 2 4s are 8. So m is equal to, we get 4 by 5. Here your exercise 2.3 completed. Now in next lecture we will do exercise 2.4, again problem sum. Okay? Now write down question number 10.
Yes. Two point three exercise पूरा.
Hello.
Sir, complete.
Complete.
Sir, done.
Okay, बेटा.
Sir, my also done.
Okay, so here our exercise 2.3 completed.